Вие му енчантовани мачеви овие. Талморови ратници.
Ja imam jedino enčantovano, znaš onaj nožić malac. Čuješ? Samo onaj nožić imam enčantovan.
А не може да се узме.
Ne.
Не може да се узму мачеви. Не стадоше.
Znaš onaj kao svord sa dve drške, be kao?
То су грейт свордови. Они
Da,
велики.
s dve drške, znaš kao imaš gore dršku malo više i dole.
Па да, тоа е грейт сворд, знам. Имал сам едnog таквog, па сам ga продao.
Pa vidimo gde imaš, imam ja jedan, ali ne znam šta će mu ta druga drška kad mi ne držiš do nje.
Држиш ја.
Halo. Ništa, ja, evo, ja sam snimam film. Ma ne snimam ja, on snima, ja snimam. Okupatila, ajde to, ja. Snimam. Tata me zove. Baš gledam ovo što si igrao. Dosta ide! Tata je zvao, drži, nijemo više niko da mi zove. Tako se rešava.
I'm gonna eat well tonight, my darling.
Напада ме као неки... како да кажем... Кувар.
Šta?
Кувар ме нападе. Не знам зашто.
Kako da menjaš oružje, jer ga na točkić menjaš ili ti moraš tek da uđeš u items da bi promenio? A? Jer vidimo gde samo nešto si već kliknuo i samo odjednom će se promeniti.
А, треба прво да уклучиш да су ти омиljeno оружје и наместиш им број и само притиснеш тај број.
What? No, that's not me. I'm not Esbern. I don't know what you're talking
Onda mi je to lakše jer...
Delphine? How do you... So you finally found her, and she led you to me. And here I am, caught like a rat in a trap. Ah, indeed. Indeed. I do remember. Delphine really is alive, then. You'd better come in, then, and tell me how you found me, and what you want. This'll just take a moment. This one always sticks. There we go. Only a couple more. There we are. Come in. Make yourself at home. That's better. Now we can talk. So, Delphine keeps up the fight after all these years. I thought she'd have realized it's hopeless by now. I tried to tell her years ago. Haven't you figured it out yet? What more needs to happen before you all wake up and see what's going on? Aldwin has returned just like the prophecy said. The dragon from the dawn of time who devours the souls of the dead. No one can escape his hunger, here or in the afterlife. Alduin will devour all things, and the world will end. Nothing can stop him. I tried to tell them. They wouldn't listen. Fools. It's all come true. All I could do was watch our doom approach. Yes, yes. You see, you know, but you refuse to understand. Oh yes, it's all been foretold. The end has begun. Alduin has returned. Only a Dragonborn can stop him. But no Dragonborn has been known for centuries. It seems that the gods have grown tired of us. They've left us to our fate as the plaything of Alduin the World Eater. What? You are? Can it really be true? Dragonborn? Then there is hope. The gods have not abandoned us. We must go. Quickly now. Take me to Delphine. We have much to discuss. But give me just a moment. I must gather a few things. I'll need... No useless trash. Where'd I put my annotated annual? One moment. I know time is of the essence, but must leave secrets for the Thalmor. There's one more I must bring. Well, I guess that's good enough. Let's be off. Did you hear that? Yes. We should proceed cautiously.
Šta?
Jabe, bate, vidio sam ti si samo lupetao nešto u 8. epizodu Zmija Delfin i dobio si duš. Ko? Nisi dobijao nikakvu kombinaciju. Čuješ?
Čujem sve ču.
Ne.
We were both blades. Now we are just fellow fugitives from the Thalmor. I didn't know she was still alive, but I'm not surprised.
Znaš kako sam ja zbog guštera nazvala?
It was a cold day.
Šta?
In the frost.
Znaš kako sam ja guštera nazvala?
Kako?
Targon.
We heard the news at Cloud Ruler by
A
courier,
ti si Max.
riding hard from the Imperial City. 30th of Frostfall, 171. 30th.
Znači
the Thalmor
Zmija
massacred
Delfin.
I knew that day that it was truly the beginning of the end. We should
A ti li si stvarno lupetao ili si lepo napisao?
Ne, lepo sam napravio. Video sam kao znaci neki iznad mene. I sve je pisalo tu.
Znači, iznad tebe znaci.
Da, ima i znaci i oni ti kažu šta gde trebaš da uradiš.
Ne znaci, nego iste takve statue.
Da. I oni ti pokazuju šta treba da uradiš.
Ali, dobre, toliko lako. Aj bre, kako sam. Čekaj, mama. Ne mogu da verujem da je toliko lako. Čekaj. Zmija. Delfin. Čekaj, mama. A be, čekaj, nešto radim. Otvorilo se, jej. Jebite sa miševi. 6.
Oh.
Talk to me again when you've proven yourself to Brynjolf.
Well,
A co?
color me impressed, lad.
Sad sam
wasn't certain I'd
dobio
ever
to
see you
zlatnu
again.
kanđu.
Reliable
Dog.
and headstrong? You're turning out to be quite the prize. So, now that I've whetted your appetite with our little scheme at the market, how about handling a few deadbeats for me? They owe our organization some... I want you to explain to them the error of their ways. They owe our organization some serious coin, and they've decided not to.
Ovaj Esbern me ne prati nešto.
Ko?
Niko, ti još ni ne znaš za njega.
Did you need something?
Mrzim ove kao zombi ratnike šta sledeće.
Well, they've been hunting down Blades. But if you mean me, now...
Ja u 6 moram u
Maybe they've
pola
started to
7.
get an inkling of... I don't suppose they want the world to end any more than we do. Or at least, they prefer to end it on their terms. We should...
Ja brate samo koristim moć, ne mi najviše skidaju.
I ja više koristim moć.
They owe our organization some serious coin, and they've decided not to pay. I want you to explain to them the error of their ways.
Petro.
A?
Našao sam kako se orkovi zovu.
Kako?
Zovu se Orsimeri.
Kako?
Orsimer.
Ili našao nekog mnogo jakog kostura. A da, obuku se.
Hey, did you say something?
Obuku se da ne bude go.
That's all.
Prešao sam misiju napokon, ono... No, nisam. I dalje sam u onu peći. Ima nešto kao izlomljeno dragonovo jaje.
I'm spoken for, you know, so don't get any ideas.
Čekaj da vidim. Nešto te pitam.
Her and I, we got a daughter, little Dorothy.
Gde se nalazi ta zlatna kan... A, dobro. Sova leptir medved.
It means so much to us to have the claw back where it belongs.
Thank you so much for taking care of those thieves. The
Is that
Riverwood
an
Trader
amulet
is
of
back
Mara?
to the way it
I'm
used to be.
surprised someone like you wasn't spoken for. Well, yes. Why wouldn't I be? Are you interested in me? It's settled then. Brief as life can be in Skyrim, at least we'll have each other.
You and me, we're the only people around who aren't complete
Oh,
fools.
yeah. Peco. Ću se oženim u Skyrim.
A šta ti znači kad se oženiš?
Ima ženu.
You're new around here, so I'll go easy on you. But don't get on my bad side.
Dobiješ pare, pošto ona kao otvori neku prodavnicu. I ti ideš pričaš s nju i dobiješ pare.
Sada se treba bijem sa zmajem.
Delphine,
Ne znam, radi što hoćeš.
it's good to see you.
Da li treba?
Long time.
It's good to see you too, Esbern.
Ide mama bre.
Too long, old friend. Too long. Well, then. You
Rođendan
made
je
it safe
tek u
and sound.
7.
Good. Come on, I have a place we can talk. Orgnar, hold down the bar for a minute, will you?
Yeah, sure.